Hello, this video is to go over troubleshooting tips for if your camera or microphone are not working in the OrderEase platform. When you first go to use either the calendar feature to schedule a meeting, or if you wanted to give somebody a call via FaceTime, then for some reason you might notice that your camera or microphone aren't working. That could be because the first time you did it, you may have just seen a little pop-up appear that, a lot of people tend to just click through these usually means cookies or something like that, and you just want to click through them quickly. I do it all the time, but that was actually OrderEase asking for permission to access your camera and microphone, and it only does it once. So if you clicked through it like I tend to do, it's a very, very simple fix. Now let me show you. This is how we do it with Chrome, which is the #1 recommended internet browser that we say to use for our platform. So it might be a little bit different, but you can probably do something very similar with others. But what you're going to want to do is go up to this little menu in the top. It is 3 little dots, and that's the menu. So you're going to go in and go to settings. And this is why I also love Chrome. You can just type in really quickly, camera, and then you'll be able to see site settings. So that's control what information sees. So you can go in here, and that's when you're going to see where you used it recently, but also where it's allowed. So I'm going to go in here and you can see camera and microphone. So then I'm going to look down here and it says allowed to use your camera. If you do not see OrderEase on here, that's probably what's going on. Not allowed to use your camera, OrderEase would be showing up here. So that probably means you click through and click to no or do not allow, and then now the camera would be showing up in here. So you would just want to, I'm going to go and show you an example of what this might look like by deleting the ability to use this. Then repeat the process for microphone. So once again, you can see it here. I'm just going to do that to give you a better example of how this looks, okay? So let's refresh. And now I'm going to try calling somebody. And see up here, it's asking to use the camera. I'm going to click allow now. And now it's asking to use your microphone again. I'm going to click allow. And now you're ready. Okay, so if you run into that again, don't forget, just go back up to your settings and type in camera. I want to show you what it looks like if it's not working though. So now I'm just going to go back in here really quickly. I'm going to click join. I'm going to say block. No input device available. So now you can see what it looks like if you accidentally clicked block. But as I showed you before, it's super simple in case you did that. So I'm just going to show you now. You can see not allowed to use your camera right here. So once you do that again, if you just clear the site from being not allowed to use your camera, when you go back in to try to join a meeting, it will ask you again that prompt and just click allow. I hope that this was helpful and you enjoy your show.